Good day everyone. I welcome you all for the course on Indian society, social problems and issues. This course consists of 41 modules and it offers 4 credits and runs for 12 weeks. The objective of this course are to introduce social problems, classify them and provide a broad overview of key issues such as economic inequality, health crisis and family disruption. Regarding the evaluation part of it, it is done through internal and external assessment. Internal assessment is for 30% and the external computer-based examination is for 70%. 40% is the minimum for the passing the internal and external exam to get the course certificate. The course is developed by EMRC Madurai and offered through MOOC's platform, and Madurai Kamaraj University provides credits to successful students. The course will be beneficial to the students of humanities, social sciences and even other students of science discipline, including the students who are sitting for the competitive exams. Thank you one and all. I wish you all good luck.